Okay, so welcome to Windows 10 Training for Beginners. I'm your instructor Zishan Khan and you are watching IT Army. Now this tutorial is going to be all about managing your files and finding files. So let's get started. Okay, so in terms of file management, it's best to keep the files inside the folders and organize them so that whenever you are looking for the documents or applications, you can easily find them. So in terms of management, what operations you can perform is whatever files are there, you can copy them, delete them, move them, all the different operations. So for instance, I want to show you how to perform copy and move in the documents. C drive, Windows, I have web, wallpaper and flowers. I have a folder called flowers and I have some images over here. These all files I want to copy along with the folder, so I just select this folder and I want to copy to the pictures folder. So I can right click and I can select copy. I can do it from the toolbar. I can click on copy, or I can press the shortcut Control C and the files will get copied. So I press Control C. Now I have copied the files. Now I need to paste it to whatever location I need it. So if I need it in the pictures, I go to pictures, and over here you can see this paste is enabled. I can click on that. Control V is the shortcut, or I can right click here and I can say paste. So the pictures got pasted over here. Other operation is move operation. You want to move some files. So if I go to back, I can click over here. Back, Alt and left arrow key is the shortcut to go to that location where you were before. And then I can say I have this Windows, I want to move it, so I can right click and then we have option for cut and then paste in some other location, or from the toolbar I can say directly move and move to a particular location. So I say I want to move to the pictures library and it requires administrative privileges. I say okay, and the files got moved to the picture. So now you can see I have a flowers folder and I have Windows 10 folder that has the wallpapers. So this is how we can perform the move operation. If you want to work with individual files, for example, if I want to delete first file, I can just select this and I can click on delete from here, right? Or I press the delete key, the file will get deleted. So if you want to select multiple files, one option is press shift key, select the first file, press shift key and select the last file. All the files in between will get selected. Other option is if you want to select individual files, you press control key. So I press control key and I click on what individual files I need to select them. If I don't want to select any particular file, again I click and it gets deselected. And then I press Control C to copy and then I say go to pictures and paste it over here. So file gets copied and pasted. So these are the different operations in which I can select the files and copy, move, delete, all the different operations we can perform. Now coming on to the file system of Windows. So if we go to this PC, and this is the drive where Windows is installed, you can see the Windows logo also over here. Additionally, you can have any number of drives or DVD drives or flash drives, but this is the drive where Windows operating system is installed, and whenever you go to that folder, you will see those files. What are those folders? Intel is basically the driver is installed, so that driver, Intel driver, is storing the logs over there. We have performance monitor that stores its logs over there, and these four folders are the most important ones. Program files is the folder where you have all the programs that you have installed or you will be installing in future. They are going to sit over here, and then you're gonna see we have program files x86. This is the folder that you're gonna see in Windows, in 64-bit editions of Windows. So if you install any 32-bit applications, although my Windows is 64-bit, still I can install 32-bit. So if you install any 32-bit application, that is gonna stay over here. So 64-bit applications will be going over here in this folder, and 32-bit applications will be sitting over here. So these are the two folders where all the installed programs are going to sit. Users folder, as the name suggests, that whatever user accounts have been created on this machine, all they are going to sit over here. So when I go to users, for each and every user you're gonna see the folder over here. And suppose I go to the students folder, I can see that the student account has documents, pictures, music, videos, all those folders are over here. And then at last we have Windows. This is actually the Windows installation. Whatever Windows operating system files are, they are stored and they are very critical, so never delete any file from that particular folder. So these are the basic folders available inside the C drive where you have installed Windows. Now coming on to search functionality. To perform the search, two options are there. One is from the start menu, I can perform the search. What application you are looking for, I can type for example CAL and it gives me the best match depending on what recent applications I worked with. It's showing you what applications are available, right? And if I type calculator, now I can see that showing this calculator is on your machine, and some applications by the name calculator are also available in Windows Store, so I can go there and install the applications from there. And then we can also do the search, so it's going to perform a Bing search, so it will open the browser, it will search that result on the internet. So these different options are there. You can also filter from here, search in apps, search in the documents, and search over the web. You can also enable filters, so you say this particular word I want to search inside the apps or documents or folders or music or photos, wherever you want to search for. So you can perform the search from there. Other option to perform search is from the Explorer, File Explorer. You have a search box over here and you can perform search. As soon as you click, you have the search tab starts appearing, and from there you can specify you want to search this particular term in the entire PC or current folder only or all subfolders also, and you have different filter options also available. So if I select for sys and I say look in the entire, so now you can see it's looking for this particular folder sys. If I fully type it system, it's gonna search that term system in all different locations, so it's giving you all different locations wherever it found the word system. And then I can further perform the filtering. I say that I want to refine the search based on modified date or based on what type of document it is. So different types of filter options are there, or based on the size of the file and other different properties. And I can save the search, I can close the search, or if you found any particular file and you want to go to that particular location, I can right click and I say open folder location. So wherever that file is located, it will take you to that location. So this is how we can perform the search in Windows operating system. So hope this video was useful. If you have any questions or comments, please post in the comment section below, and see you in the next video.